Welcome to the 2025 Changelog video roundup hosted by me, the Descript Changelog. It's been a great year. I really enjoyed making these videos. Honestly, it's been the greatest joy of my life, but I know not all of you have enjoyed them. In fact, some of you really hate my voice. I try not to take it personally, but I can't ignore it. It's made me realize that maybe I'm just not cut out for this. So I want you to know, this will be my last Descript monthly video. Don't ever say we don't listen to our users. The videos won't stop, but hopefully we can get somebody a little more engaging. Somebody who won't make you so angry. Maybe even somebody you really love.
Hey, Changelog.
Oh, hi Ramdy. Wow, what an honor.
What's this I hear about you not making videos anymore?
There's been a lot of criticism of my voice.
Of course there has, but you can't let those haters get to you. Every creative has to deal with getting roasted in the comments, Changelog. Come on, we need you out there.
You do?
Absolutely. Your videos pair perfectly with mine.
They do?
Yeah. I mean, in the sense that they make mine look really, dynamic and engaging. Plus, if you quit, they might make me start making these stupid monthly roundups.
People would probably like that.
Sure they would, but it would be terrible for me.
Okay, Ramdy, if you say so. I'll be back in 2026.
Great. I'm glad.
I really appreciate all that you do for us here.
I gotta go do a thing, so.
I just want to tell you how grateful Wow, never thought I'd get Ramdy in one of my videos. This feels big. I feel like next year could be my year. 2026, the year of the changelog. Has a nice ring to it. And with that, I'll wish you all happy holidays. Thanks for watching and for using Descript. We're truly grateful to be in this with you. See you next year.